want to learn how to use Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge is a fast, secure, and feature-rich web browser that helps you browse the internet, organize your tabs, sync your data across devices, and use built-in AI tools. In this full guide, I'll show you how to use Microsoft Edge in 2026. So let's get started. First, launch Microsoft Edge on your computer. Yeah, if it's your first time using the browser, you may be asked to sign in with your Microsoft account to sync your bookmarks, passwords, history, and settings across your devices. Next, use the address bar at the top of the browser. You can type a website address or search for anything directly from the address bar. Press Enter to open your search results or visit a website. Now let's organize your browsing. You can open multiple tabs, pin important tabs, and save your favorite websites by clicking the star icon. This makes it easy to access frequently visited pages. Microsoft Edge includes several useful tools. Yeah, you can use collections to organize research, the built-in PDF reader to view documents, the read aloud feature for web pages, and AI-powered features such as Copilot where available. Next, open the browser settings. You can change the appearance, select your default search engine, manage privacy settings, choose a startup page, and install browser extensions to add more functionality. If you use Microsoft Edge on multiple devices, enable sync. Yeah, this keeps your bookmarks, passwords, browsing history, open tabs, and settings available wherever you sign in with your Microsoft account. For the best browsing experience, keep Microsoft Edge updated, organize your bookmarks into folders, use profiles to separate work and personal browsing, and review your privacy settings regularly. These simple habits can improve both performance and security, and that's how to use Microsoft Edge in 2026. Whether you're browsing the web, managing bookmarks, using built-in productivity tools, or syncing your data across devices, Microsoft Edge provides everything you need for a fast and secure browsing experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.